Hey guys, what's up? And welcome back to another YouTube video. And this is Roberto Monico Ignacio here. And this video talks about the Cargolux Boeing 747-8F with registration LX-VCF unveiling its special livery, which is not without my mask livery. So, they just unveiled this livery during the COVID-19 pandemic, and the mask, which was on the nose or on the cargo door, on the front cargo door, right above the cockpit windows, is color blue, which is a surgical mask. And this 747-8 fighter is good and awesome. The delivery looks gorgeous for me, in my opinion, and this will diminish the spread of COVID-19, which was desolated the aviation industry. It is awesome, fantastic, and good. This special livery was unveiled since August 2020, and I really like it. My reaction is that I'm very happy and excited. Sorry, um, that I saw this livery in the picture. She has done her first visit to Hong Kong on August 30, 2020, and it is now sporting a face mask, as you can see it on the photos on Jet Photos, airliners.net, and planespotters.net as well. I love the livery. Quite looks gorgeous as the revised Cathay and Cathay Dragon livery, as well as Air Canada's and Eva Airs. And it, it quite reminds me of my beautiful and gorgeous friends in school. Do you know that Cargolux is the European largest cargo carrier and has a modern fleet of a 747-100 and 747-8 freighters? And it is the launch customer for these aircraft types as well. Um, she is the member of the IATA, and I love the not in your mask livery. Not without my mask. Sorry. I love the livery, and it looks as gorgeous as the new CX livery and the new AC livery. This will promote COVID-19 health and safety measures like social distancing and wearing a face mask as well as not talking very much or touching dirty things or sick people. So that's my I'm thinking of some more to say, and the reason why they need to promote this amid the quarantine is the 747-8 unveils its special livery LX-BCF. VCF. Its first flight was from Luxembourg to Singapore. And the reason why they had its surgical mask painted on its nose cone on the cargo aircraft is to highlight the importance of staying safe during the COVID-19 pandemic. Changi Airport's post said, "Look who landed on our runway this morning. Cargolux Airlines International SA sending not just cargo but also a message. Keep your mask on." And the reason why they put not without my mask test is to promote the COVID-19 pandemic or quarantine. But Cargolux said in a statement that the plane received a paint job during a scheduled maintenance check in Taipei, Taiwan recently. It even stopped over in Singapore and then it turned to Luxembourg, where the country's Prime Minister Xavier Bettel and Deputy Prime Minister Francois Bauch awaited its arrival at the company's headquarters. Cargolux President and CEO Richard Borson said the paint job reflects the company's support for the Luxembourg government's campaign to promote the issue of face masks in general public. The special mask delivery combined with the Luxembourg government slogan reflect our engagement in the fight against the COVID-19. Since the pandemic began or outbreak, Cargolux has worked closely with the Luxembourg government to transport essential medical and personal protective equipment supplies for COVID-19. We are proud to play a role in bringing the needed supplies to Luxembourg, and we are fully equipped to contribute to the transport of any vaccine that becomes available on the market and on the world, said Mr. Forson. So thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys on my next video, and don't forget to subscribe down below for more upcoming videos. Goodbye, stay safe, and see you later.